Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to see Chapter 9 Defenders of Wildlife, the Temperate Grasslands. Grasslands. Grasslands are vast stretches of land covered with tall grasses and a few scattered trees. It covers more than one-fifth of the Earth's land surface. Overview of the chapter. In this chapter, you shall learn about the location, climate, vegetation, wildlife, and life of people in prairies in the temperate grasslands. Grasslands are areas where the vegetation is dominated by grasses. Grasslands occur naturally on all continents except Antarctica. Usually, trees and shrubs are absent from grasslands. Table of content. In this chapter, you are going to discuss about location, climate, vegetation, wildlife, life of people on prairies. So here are some important words. Dear children, take the social science notebook and write down the important words given in the slides. It will help you to understand the chapter in an easy way. Come, let's look the important words. Plains, a large area of flat land with few trees. Prairies, a large area of flat land covered in grass with few trees, especially in North America. Pampas, a large treeless plains in South America. Vales, a type of wide open flat area covered in grass in southern Africa. Pasta, plains, a vast wilderness of shrubs and grassland. Steppes, a large area of land with grass in southeast Europe and Siberia. Downs, round and grass covered hills. Vegetation, plants found in a particular place. Herbivores, animals that only eat herbs, that are grass and plants. Carnivores, animals that only eat flesh or meat. Granaries, a storehouse for threshed grains. Threshed, it means separated. Harvesters, a person who gathers crop as a harvest. Harvest means process of gathering a ripe crop from the fields. Surplus, an amount that is extra or more than need. So, let's get into the chapter. First topic is about location. Temperate grasslands are located between 40° and 60° latitudes on both sides of the equator. What are latitudes? Latitudes are vertical lines. So, it is located on both sides of the equator on every continent except Antarctica. Some important locations are given as in the table column. The name of a country or region and what the grassland is named as. In Argentina, and the grassland is named as Pampas. In Central North America, the grassland is named as Plains and Prairies. In New Zealand and Australia, the grasslands are named as Downs. In South Africa, the grassland is named as Vales. In Hungary, the grassland is named as Pusta. In Russia, the grassland is named as steppes. So, here you can see the grasslands in the world through the map, our world map. Let us learn about the climate. Climate. Temperature in temperate grasslands vary according to the season. In winter, temperatures can drop to below 0° Celsius. In summer, some temperatures can reach above 38° Celsius. These grasslands receive Low to moderate precipitation annually. Precipitation means here rainfall. So these grasslands receive low to medium rainfall. Next topic, vegetation. What is vegetation? The plants found in a particular place is known as vegetation. So let us see what are the points are in vegetation. The grasses are the only plants seen in this region. So grasses are small plants, okay. These only grown in these regions because why? The regions with little rainfall have grasses that remain low with ground. So because of rainfall, low rainfall, here it grows only grasses. Taller grasses can be found in warmer areas that receive more rainfall. Insufficient precipitation makes temperate grasslands a difficult place for tall trees such as woody shrubs and trees to grow. So because of low rainfall, insufficient rainfall, there is very difficult to grow, it is a difficult place to grow tall trees, for trees to grow. Some examples are buffalo grass, cacti, sagebrush, Johnson grass, sunflower and clovers. These are some plants grown in this area, temperate area. Wildlife. Temperate grasslands are home to many large herbivores. What is the meaning of herbivores? The plants that only eat, the animals that only eat plants. Okay, so herbivore means plant eating animals. So it is the area of grassland. So maximum herbivorous animals are located here. So what are the animals such as bison, gazelles, zebras, rhinoceros and wild horses. Carnivores like lions and wolves are also found in the temperate grasslands. And small animals to found here are deer, prairie dogs, mice, jackrabbits, skunks, coyotes, snakes, foxes, owls, badgers, blackbirds, grasshoppers, meadowlark, sparrows, quails and hawks. So let's discuss about the life of people in prairies. The people of prairies are hardworking and have utilized the available natural resources. The two most developed countries of this region are the USA and Canada. They are engaged in agriculture, dairy farming and industrial activities. Agriculture. The prairies are called the granaries of the world due to surplus wheat production. What are granaries? It is a place to gather all the grains. So because of more production, wheat production, it is known as the granaries of the world. The fertile land, scientific methods of cultivation and use of tractors, harvesters and combines have made North America the major producer of food grains. Because of these qualities, what are the qualities? Fertile land, scientific method of cultivation, use of tractors and the harvesters. These combined qualities make North America as a major producer of food grains. Dairy farming. It is another major industry in this region. Dairy farming means cattle rearing. Okay. Due to grasses being available all the time and everywhere, rearing of cattle has become a natural choice of many people. There is a dairy belt which extends from the Great Lakes to the Atlantic coast. So, I hope you all understand this chapter. Come, let us reinforce this chapter. The temperate grasslands are located in colder climate regions between 40° and 60° latitudes on both sides of the equator. Temperatures in grasslands vary according to the seasons from 0°C in winter to 38°C in summer. Vegetation is dominated by grasses, while tall trees are rare because of insufficient rainfall. The temperate grasslands are home to a rich wildlife such as herbivores, carnivores and many small animals. People here are engaged in agriculture, dairy farming, and industrial activities. Dear children, I hope you all have understood this chapter. If you have any doubts, please feel free to ask me. Thank you.